All right, so it's time for a little data analysis. So let's try opening. First of all, let's take a look at our sample. See what we see. Oh, we see two big peaks in our sample. So first what we're going to do is extract the chromatograms. This is going to be the total ion chromatogram. We have options to extract other things. This is what we want. So there's our total ion chromatogram. And so what we can do here is go in and actually isolate this peak. Oops, do it right there. So this is the mass spectrum for that peak. And so we're going to do a NIST database search. And we get methyl salicylate, which is a decomposition product of salicylic acid, which is aspirin. Down here, we're coming up with an aspirin methyl ester. And this is because of the temperature of the injection. We actually get a little bit of breakdown of the aspirin, but it's got aspirin in it, as we expected. And what do we see over here? That's this one, and so if we do a search, and so we have another, I don't even know what the hell that is, but it's definitely not related to our aspirin. That's a strain. I don't think I've ever seen a molecule that looks like that. It could be a breakdown from the septum or the column. Makes some weird things like that. It doesn't look like we have much else in here. A lot of this stuff looks like some background. We get a bunch of salicylates because the column's getting old and starting to break down. And so that's probably what we'll see down here. Let's do a quick search. Yeah, so a lot of these weird silica products come from column breakdown. All right, but we do know there's aspirin in there, as we expected. Run that I did for our Coke sample right here. Here we actually see, I think I need to show the whole thing. There we go. Oh, here we go. What is that nice big peak right there? In this search, and we get cocaine, as we expected, so that's good. Cocaine is there. Our suspected PCP sample, right here. And we do a quick NIST search, and we get phencyclidine, which is our PCP. What else do we think they had? More methamphetamines, I believe. All right, this is from that original spot testing. Where's our meth? Meth. I don't know why it's stuck in the wrong folder. And so again, with meth, we need to do our total ion chromatogram extraction. This one actually got run accidentally under the wrong program. Are we going all the way to 0? Oh, here we go. So down here our meth, do a NIST search, and that's not what I expected to see. Let's stretch this out a bit. Sure we're in our center of our peak. There we go, we'll get some methamphetamine. As we expected. So this one is not what we anticipated. All right. So we identify our meth, our PCP, and our cocaine from our original samples that have been collected from the punch bowl. Unfortunately, and we also identified aspirin in the tablet unknown that we ran, our major unknown. So I will make sure these get posted for you guys.